went to the depot just to meet the 12:02. He wrote me he'd be on it, but the train went right on through. Ooh-wee. Hear that whistle say, it takes a long, long train with a red caboose to carry my blues away. The engineer was waving as the train went down the track. I felt so heavy-hearted that I couldn't wave him back. Ooh-wee. Hear that whistle say, it takes a long, long train with a red caboose to carry my blues away. I listen to that mournful whistle. I listen to that mournful bell. The echo said, I love you so, but the train said, fare thee well. I stood there in the station with a letter in my hand, cried just like a baby 'cause I lost my loving man.
Tu t'havies imaginat sola una conversa amb aquests termes?
Hear that whistle.
I a les altures de l'hora i el poc que portem, com ho veus? ¿T'ha passat el temps
Estoy
ràpid?
un poco bloqueada. La verdad es que todo me suena un poco a chino. Y todavía tengo que como que asimilar.
Però independentment d'això, en el fons, veus que és una cosa que té la pinta d'atractiva o...? Sí? Ho creus de veritat? Bueno, pues així ho estem fent el dia del cumpleaños del David, que és el dia 19 de febrer, a les 11:15.